Well, today I'm doing something a little bit different on these parts here. This piece of angle is used to keep the saw table in the folded position. First I get them cut to size, then I put the slot in them. Previously I used this little jig here and I cut the little tabs with the bandsaw, but now I'm using the 1/8 inch end mill and I programmed it to mill little slots, and then once those slots are on there and I'm ready to bend the tabs, and it ends up looking like this. I use a wrench, just use a wrench to bend the tabs. Once the part's finished, then I just put it over here. You can see how it slides through the T-slot into the two backstops and holds the backstop together. I use this knob here to keep it locked. That way the saw table will fold up into a smaller position.